Hello and welcome to my Son Different. Today we have a wonderful recipe, and this is just chilaquiles con salchicha, and I'm making it in a way that I eat it because hey, we're red pill on here and we like to share our recipe, right? Because who wants to be eating kiosk foods every freaking day? So that's kind of the main theme here, is to be able to pull things out from what we have and create something with it. And, whatever happens, you know, 9 times out of 10 we can find and scrounge something. So what I have here is the same spices, the same old spices we used last time, right? Basically, we have Julio's seasoning. Whoop. So right there. And then we have basically the same thing: oyster sauce, soy sauce, HP sauce, and then I have red wine vinaigrette. And I have this mustard. It's stone ground mustard. It's like a German style mustard by Ingelhofer. I got it on sale for $4. And the oils I use are gonna be again sesame oil, canola oil. It's not a very specific recipe. Like I said, I'm an apocalyptic prepper, and on the Red Pill channel, we like this shit hit the fan themed recipes. So for toppings, I will use bacon bits, and I will also use cheese. You can use like cilantro and tomatoes and onions. Like a salsa. You can put salsa on it, and hot sauce. You can put hot sauce on it, and so basically, what I do is pretty simple. Literally, just put some oil in the pan because we're gonna pan fry this stuff. And what I'd like to do is do the meat first. So I like to get 2 hot dogs. This is just for me. This is for me about 2 servings, but for you guys, it might just be a snack. I don't know. Let's see. Um, so yeah, 2 hot dogs. 2 hot dogs. And we're gonna turn the heat on those 2 hot dogs and just chop them up. And I'm gonna cut them like this. Like kind of diagonal. I like them a little bit oblong, that way they are bite size, but also not too thick and not too small. I'm just gonna cut this one a little bit smaller. Cut them however small you want. It's pretty easy. And then the other one. It's all rainy outside. They said it was gonna rain. I didn't expect it to like rain because yesterday it was like not that bad. And but since those are taking like a long time, I figure we can get these tortillas in too. So you can use as many tortillas as you want. Literally, they're basically just like nachos. But I would recommend like as many as you want, literally. Probably like 5. I'm gonna use 3. And you just tear them into size this big. Just like tear the edges like into triangles as much as possible. You don't have to be the same size at all. Just like hot dogs. And they're popping, so I'm just gonna put these in. So that way they all cook at the same time. Just get them in the oil. And toss them. And then the tortilla should turn a lovely yellow color. And at this point, you can add the seasoning. And you can add as much as, or as little as you want. And remember, this has sugar or salt in it. Like, you don't want to go overboard. You also don't want to underseason it. I like the comitos flavor in here. So, just gonna add a bit more. Now, usually I make them really crispy, but these are kind of crispy. As long as they're finished, I really don't care. Let me try this one. So that's done. What I want to do is put the red wine vinaigrette in it. Just a dash. Some soy sauce. Some oyster sauce. Some HP sauce. And just a dab of mustard. Oops. And toss it. You can adjust it to your preferences. Just keep it just like that. Now for me, I like to add a little bit of flavors to it. And so I just put some bacon bits. And then I'll put a slice of cheese in it. And what I do is I just chop up the cheese until it's melty. And literally, I just eat it like that. And then this one's for me. Now, it should be a little bit warm, right? Because it's hot in the pan. So toss it and toss it. And the cheese will start to, see that right away. The cheese will start to melt right away. And you just want a big glob. It'll turn into like a big nacho glob. And you can turn up the heat at this point. That way you don't smoke up anything and just use the heat of the pan. And you're good. And then, of course, I just plate it. So here I have a plate. Let me get the rest. And this is what we have. And I just like to dab ketchup on it, but I have soy sauce right now. I like ketchup with mine. And I'll just taste it. Just as is. Mm-hmm. So I grew up in an area that was culturally diverse, but you know, you learn a few tricks or two here and there. And I hope you guys try it and like it just as much as I do. And don't forget to check out my other videos if you want. And make your request if you want. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. We're trying to hit 100, and we're at 78 right now. So be sure to share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for watching. My son de Fran. Bye-bye.